guys, so today we're gonna learn how to insert, replace, and delete an image on Google Docs. So first you see this thing that says insert image, click on it. There are many things you can do, but I'm just gonna show you search the web. So for example, I want to search for a trophy. Then I would search for it. You can choose any image you want. You can even choose how many you want. I can even choose two if I want. And then after you do that, then click insert after you choose your photos. Then if you want, you can always like shrink it or size it. And you can always replace the image by clicking replace. First click the image and then click replace image, then search the web. If I didn't feel, then I would search. Then if I wanted this one, then I could click that and it would replace. If I want to delete it, just click on the photo and click backspace. Voila, it's deleted. Have a good day and subscribe to our channel. Let's have fun on AA Square. Bye.